The first step in folding the truck box is to pre-crease all the score marks as shown. Once that is complete, your box will look like this. Take your box and fold it in this direction and insert the tabs in the side of the box between the wheels. Now close the back of the box and insert tuck. The front of the box, grab the top flap, fold the first portion down and tuck it under and inside the candy dish. Then take the front tabs and connect, and also the same for the top tabs. They are designed to be tight to hold the structure of the cab of the box. Fold the front of the box over and insert the side tabs into the cab. These two tabs get folded over and then the lid gets shut. And there is your candy dish truck.